Hi there, I have a Bonanza Baritone here to do a sound sample of. This has cherry back and sides with an aspen top, mahogany neck. This one has Goto tuners on it because the customer asked us to install those, and they're really nice feature. Standard ones are a geared tuner. Nice long sustain, real clear tone. This isn't as strong with a high G, or high D rather, with reentrant baritone tuning. So it sounds just a little brighter than when you have that low G on there. So, and that was again at the customer's request. So. I've had fun testing it out. So there you have it, Bonanza Baritone with cherry back and sides and an aspen top. Thanks for listening.